Hi guys, I have something very important for you, ladies and gentlemen. I will show you that. I hope it won't get taken down from anywhere soon. I will show you and I will prove to you, as it was done to myself and two of my clients. Be very careful. This is about deferring of the payments, where you're doing it. The banks that you're dealing with, okay. Equifax, these are the things that I was teaching in my courses, and people are paying for this kind of information, but this is time that everybody knows about this, so I'm putting this information out there for free. The banks that you're applying to for any kind of deferral, you should know every credit card you have, every mortgage that you got with, the lender that you with, any private loan, they are running a soft inquiry on your credit bureau, Equifax or TransUnion, on a monthly or every 2 months at most. It's no more 3 months now. And they see what's going on with your other stuff. They see what kind of loan you got. They see how much you owe them. They're checking. Now I see that they're doing that. I will put this on paper and show you this, and I will do this over a phone call and have everybody see this, because these banks need to really be shown that people are doing something about this. What they're doing now, they are allowing themselves, they are doing a soft inquiry even 2 times a month, checking what's going on with your other credit. Sure, the government's asking them, pushing them to give you all these great deferrals and all that. They are, but in reality, most of them, especially the ones that are based in the States, like American Express, any company that's not fully Canadian, be very wary of them. Make sure what kind of credit cards you have. Those big line of credits, especially home equity or whatever it is, unsecured things that you're dependent on. Be very careful which one of them find out about your situation or what you're telling them your situation is. They are checking your credit. They're double checking your credit. They're doing soft inquiries. If you tell a bank, for example, you call National Bank or CIBC or whatever, I say, I want a deferral on my credit card with you and my line of credit with you for whatever reason. You had 20,000 line of credit and you had a 10,000 credit card, maybe you had a couple of thousand balance on one, 5,000 on the other, something like that. And you're trying to get some kind of deferral or even just a better interest rate or anything like that. They're promising that they will give better limits to people, higher limits to help people. They're doing exactly the opposite. Before you know it, them and other banks that are also doing soft inquiry and checking, and now Equifax is going at, not yet TransUnion, but they will follow too. They're going ahead and giving the heads up to them, showing that your payment's being deferred or not. Okay, it will show as a deferral on your credit bureau. And what happens? They are reducing people's limits. So let's say you were dependent on that 10,000, 20, 30,000 for your cash flow. What they're doing now, they are reducing that limit because they're saying you don't need it. You can't carry this kind of balance. If you have 10, 15,000 with that other bank, because they're constantly checking the soft inquiry, you had another 5 with RBC or whatever other, you can't handle 20,000 with us. You don't need it. Why? Because you're going to end up owing it. Remember what I told you a month ago? Pull it all out, because I knew this is going to happen. Pull it out and then get the interest relief after. Now they are reducing your limit as much as possible, and it's all to their discretion. They decide, you sign for this. They will drop the limit to what they believe is right. And especially if you tell them you lost your job, you don't have a job, they will adjust your credit based on that. So you had, let's say, 60,000 between all your credit cards before. Now you're only gonna have 20. Especially American Express, especially MBNA, companies that are have some kind of thing with the states. They're not initiated with one of the banks that government would be pushing them, or you will be complaining on them. A lot of this information is out there on some social medias, but most people don't know what to do, don't know what to say, and they think it's only the right thing, or they don't even know their limits have been dropped. And you know what? Good luck getting that limit back up again. When this stuff is over, you need to do a re-application, a new application. They will do a new credit check and all that and whatever before they give you that. So be very careful who you apply. Before you apply, pull it all out. If you have the intention, pull that amount out. You're going to say, oh, you know what? I don't need it. I don't want to go another loan. If you have $20,000 limit, you apply, and you only have $3,000 balance, you apply, they're going to reduce your limit to $5,000. Then you got nothing later on. You got to put a new application. Why not take out, that money and then apply for a lower interest rate? Instead of 20%, you're gonna get 10, 8, and you're gonna get 5-6 months deferral. How much is that gonna help you in your cash flow? And also, don't forget to the loans. The business back loans have got easier. You guys can contact us. Actually, I'm introducing our team one by one in the coming days. Lawyers team, and then there is a senior law clerk. That's part of our team. These are all the people that are putting all courses together as well in our university. But also at this time, it's important that you get as much free information as possible to get things done right, to be on your feet, and to get back on your feet, taking your business online and all that other stuff that you need to do as well, especially people in the industry of finance and real estate, or anything in regard of investment and things like that. So do not forget, be very careful with your home equity line of credits. Be careful where you're applying. They could give you 6 months deferral, but you have no idea what they're going to do with the other stuff you're holding with that bank. They give you deferrals, but they will reduce the limits everywhere they can. Make a wise decision before what you do. And don't say I didn't tell you. This has happened. I will show how it's happened. They've done it even to my own. I had an American Express for years. I had 3 different cards with them: a business, a personal, and another one on a joint business. And they did exactly that. Now I'm fighting with them on one of them, and get that back. But I did it as a tester, and I had, for example, $8,000 limit on one of them. I asked for deferral on the other one that I had taken all the money out as well, like I told you to do. And now on that other one, that's 6,000 or something like that was the limit. They reduced that to 2,000. So you don't need that anymore, right? So it was a perfect test. I knew they would do this, and I will put that in the paper. I will show you what the limit was last month and what they did this month. I want everybody to know. I want these banks to know. They've been doing this all these years. I've dealt with different people, different clients, and I constantly tell people that they're gonna do this to them. But now at a point like this, an emergency point, a lot of people living paycheck to paycheck, but they really need the cash flow for their business. They're reducing the line of credit, home equity line of credit, business loans, whatever they can, credit cards, personal credit cards. These are all cash flow. You need that, for your business, your personal life, especially you lost your job. You reduce a reduction in your business, whatever it is. Maybe not today, 5 months down the road, 3 months down the road. So make a wise decision. These people on our team, they're going to be coming. I'm going to be loading their videos. They're helping put the credits and the courses together. So they'll be giving some nice, interesting information on daily things, what's going on in the office of a senior law clerk that's especially doing real estate and real estate closing. What are the changes after this epidemic and this corona and all the problems and what it was done to people, what kind of deals are going through. They see the deals more than even what I see or any other agents or brokerage will see. They see 10, 20 deals a day. Different things, in regards of real estate business, buying, selling, closing, refinancing. So they will have great information for you. And then we got this 15-year veteran with CIBC TD and another credit union banker that's dealing with investment, mutual funds and all that. And he's got a team of his own. He's also joined us. He's part of our team. Our organization is getting bigger and bigger, so we're gonna get you a lot of free information out there. Take advantage of it, use it, join our groups. Any questions you got, you can ask there. We want to help you get on your feet and stay on your feet. Good luck out there, and keep in touch.